Okay, then we have YouTube live, we have the video, so make sure those who don't understand see a few more times. Okay, the question asks us to make the letter in the square bracket the subject. So now, when I look at this one, S is the subject because S is by itself. So now they want X to be the subject, means you know the endpoint. The endpoint is X on one side. Okay? So what you need is to move your terms until you have only one X on the left, then you get your answer already. But then when we look at this, what we have now is a fraction. So, same one. Every time I see fraction with the two more than one terms, bracket them first. They belong together. Your x plus 4 belong together. Your 2x minus 3 belong together. Okay? Hey, Ryan, Cyrus. Okay. Then my thinking will be to how do I make x on itself alone. Then the next thing is this bracket is denominator. I want this x, but this x is inside the bracket. The bracket is at the numerator. I don't want it to be at the denominator. I want it to go to the numerator. So I need to multiply. Multiply the bracket on both sides so that it will cancel away. And then it goes to the left, become a numerator. So my next step will be S multiply 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 4. There's no longer a fraction, so my x plus 4 is free already. I can don't write the bracket already. Okay? Then this side, my x is inside the bracket. I want to work with the x, I need to expand so that I can free the x from the bracket. So s times 2 times x will be 2 times s times x. S times minus 3 minus 3s. Very good. Okay? Then put all the terms with x on one side first. This term got x, this term no x, this term got x, this term no x. So I want to move my x to the other side. I need to, when we don't have anything in front, it's because it's the first term. So by default, don't have means it is plus. Okay? So when it is plus, it go across the equal sign will become minus. 2sx I never touch, then I have my minus x. 4 I never touch, so it's still on the right hand side. Wait, I still have my 3s to bring this side. So minus 3s, I want to plus 3s on both sides. Then first term got x, second term got x. I cannot minus to remove it. I need to factorize it. Both multiply by x, so I can factorize x. Then finally, left hand side is x multiplying this entire bracket. So I divide by the entire bracket. Then the entire bracket will become cancel each other. Then it will appear on the right, become denominator. Answer. Okay? So for those of you who never try, remember, follow the thinking process. Why? Why I do each step. You have this thinking process, you can solve all questions. It is no use you are able to just solve one question. Once you learn the thinking process, you can solve all questions. Can? Okay, we quickly go to T. T is the one we want to make subject. So finally, it is T equals to something. Okay? T is the subject. Finally, T by itself. Jody, okay or not? Why you totally turn your face to look at, turn your body to look at Lexus? No meh? Oh. Okay, bracket. They belong together. Then after that, I want to work with T. But my T inside the bracket and this bracket at the denominator. So I don't want it to be at the denominator. I need to multiply to remove the denominator. After that, my T is inside the bracket. I cannot work with it individually because it is now stuck with +4. Just like you're stuck with your lousy boyfriend or girlfriend like that. So you must separate them first. To separate them, we need to do expansion. 5 times y times t. 4 times y. Then what I want is t. So I want to look at where are the terms that contain t. This one got t. This one no t. No t, got t. Put all those with t1 together. Plus t. Lemon tea. Then, also same, factorization. Then dividing both sides by the entire bracket. Answer. Okay? So part A and part B actually are almost exactly the same. All the idea is the same. Darwish can or not? Cyrus, I highly suspect your PLD is not about math. Your PLD. Okay, part C. S. We want S to be the subject, means finally S by itself on one side. Okay? Starting bracket first, because T and U belong together. Then next, I don't want S to be in the denominator. I multiply it across. Okay? At the same time, I can also multiply R across, so that I also don't have a fraction to work with. Okay? So 4s multiply across. My r also multiply across. R multiply 1 become r. 4s multiply across become 4s multiplying the entire bracket. Okay? This one is also what your tuition teachers like to tell you, cross multiply. Okay? Cross multiply is the result. But why it happened is because I multiply the denominator over. I multiply the denominator over. Why I hear so much noise? Okay? Then what I want is S So if I want to keep the S, the rest I divide. Below can already. I don't need to do expansion because my S is not inside the bracket. It is by itself. 4 times S times bracket. So I can divide both sides with 4 and the bracket. Then straight away, I can divide by 4 and the bracket. Divide by 4 and the bracket. Then the whole bracket cancel, the 4 cancel. I'll be left with S only. So S equals to R over 4 bracket minus U. Boleh? Boleh? Tak boleh. D. Can continue Wait. Okay, again, important is the idea. What is the idea behind, what is the thinking when I do each step? You follow the thinking, next time you can apply the thinking. No use you copy the exact step because every question will be a bit different. Okay? For D, we want T to be the subject. We want T alone to be on one side. But right now, I have two fractions over here. Okay? So there are a few ways to go about this. Number one, I can keep this whole term because this whole term got T. Okay? Then the other one is, I don't like fractions. So how can I make all things not fraction? My T is inside the denominator. I don't want it. So what I will usually do is, now my right hand side, this whole thing that I put in blue is my right hand side. If I want to make my right hand side don't have fraction, I will want to multiply the right hand side with T. I will want to multiply the whole right hand side with S. Once I multiply T, it will multiply this first term, it will multiply this second term. I multiply S, it will multiply this term, it will multiply this term. Then I will be able to cancel out both the denominator. Okay? But if I want to do this, I want to multiply this thing to the right, I need to multiply to the left. So to the left, I will also multiply T, I will also multiply S. Okay? Then look at the effect. The effect is 4R times S times T, I will have 4RST. Then when I multiply T and S, TS to the first fraction, the T will cancel with the T, my S will multiply the numerator. So my first term becomes 3S squared. Minus is still minus. Then my S and my T multiply to this second fraction. The S will be used to cancel out this S. The T will multiply the numerator. So I'm left with like that. I have managed to remove the denominator. Then now I have this term with T, this term with T. Yes, very good. So this term got T, I keep it here. Then my plus 4T, I bring it here. 3S squared is still on the right. Why I want to factor 4T? I factor T can already. Because I only want T. Then T times bracket I want only T, just divide both sides with the whole bracket lor. This question itself can have 3 or more approach. Okay? But for me, I personally prefer to remove denominators. When we have equation, make there no fraction is the best one. Okay? Okay, part E. What I want is y. But my y is now inside the square root sign. So again, it is like they belong together now. My 2b and minus 4y, they belong together. Then together, then they are being square root. So number one thing I need to do is to remove the square root. I square. When I square a square root, the square root will be neutralized. So I need to square the square root. I will need to square my left hand side as well. They are the same. So if I square the right, I square the left, they will still be the same. Once I square, the square root sign disappears. My y is now negative term, negative 4y. So I will be thinking, I bring it to the left, minus become plus. It will be closer to my final form. My final form is positive, so this one is negative, so I bring it to the left, it will be positive. Easier. Then I bring my a square to the right. 4y is like that. I want 1y. Divide by 4 answer. Follow Jody, just now you say got problem. Can already. Okay, F we do together already. So same what? F I told you I square both sides what? G, I want W. Now W is the numerator. W is being squared. So again, I remind myself, the numerator belong together. So individually, I cannot touch the W yet. I want to make there no fraction. No fraction, I multiply my 2. Multiply 2, cancel, multiply 2, become 2k. So my 2 cross the equal sign, become numerator. No longer have fraction, no longer need to put the bracket. Okay. Why are you looking at your report book now? Okay. My final form, W is positive. So, I don't want to bring my W square to the left. I work with my W square on the right first. I bring my 5H over. Then my W square can remain positive. Okay? From this step, I can put the whole W square on the left, put the whole of the left on the right. Then I don't need to change sign because it's not moving. I am switching places. Left is the same as right, means right is the same as left. So I don't change sign. Here don't change sign, here don't change sign. Just swap their place only. Then I want W, I don't want W square. I want to square root to neutralize the square. Then when I square root, I must remember to add the plus minus. Like that only.
Amazing.
Yes, Tuan. Yes. Cyrus. You praying again. Oh no. Living on a prayer. Disappeared again. Yeah. You all need G, 2k equals to Can? All done? Sender, can or not? Hey, your head on the table and all these things E and G I do already, you're still empty. Then Tuan, why are you looking at all this?
What?
Food?
Nice or not?
Nice or not, also not math, right? I suddenly have a good idea. I sit here, when I see Cyrus' head on the table, I can just kick him.
Instant wake up.
Instant wake up. Hey, then question 6. We did the first part last lesson. Disappear again. Question 6, we did the first part. Hello, Jody. Why are you also looking back here? Okay, we add the bracket first. Then when we want to make Z the subject, Z is inside the bracket, so we need to multiply it to the numerator on the other side. Then after that, we free Z from the bracket. Then we group the Z term, bring this Z term across, no Z1 all put to the right. Then factorize, then finally divide the whole bracket. Then find the value of Z when X equals to 5 and Y. So once I have this one, the substitution becomes very easy. My Z is already by itself on the left. So whatever I'm not substituting, I just copy. 3 I'm not substituting, so I copy 3. Y I am substituting, hello, I replace with a bracket. Then now they say Y is 4. So I put 4 inside the bracket. Minus is still minus. As long as I'm not substituting, I copy. X I am substituting, so I need to replace X with a bracket. Then X is 5, so I put X as 5 inside the bracket. I am substituting Y, so I replace Y with a bracket. And Y is now 4, so I put 4 inside the bracket. The division, no change. I am not substituting the division line. Right? I am substituting X, so I replace X with a bracket. X is 5. Plus. Plus sign also no change. 4 also no change. I'm not substituting them. So this whole thing you can press inside calculator, you will get your answer. Okay? But if your mental sum is good, you want to try. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20, so minus 20. 5 plus 4 is 9. Answer. Can? Math, the easiest subject already. We have another 20 minutes, right? Very good. Okay, we take a look at the next questions. Wow, disappear again. Okay, take a read. Question 7. Okay? They give you a story. But after reading the story, they just give you what is what is L, what is G, what is T, all this. They give you the story, but actually they are just telling you there is this formula. Then from this formula, they want you to change the subject. Okay? So the background story is just to give you a story. What they want you to do is no change one. So you read already, whatever story they tell you, actually the task, actually the task that you all need to do is no change. So if you can try. Start. Question 7. Try. Make L the subject. Hey. You are awake, then try. Question 7. Go and read the question and try and practice. The story is a story, not so important one. End of the day, you must know that whatever story they tell you, they are giving you a formula. And from the formula, you are changing the subject. So try. Tuan, go, try. Center, try. Try.
If I swap it over, does that mean T squared?
Okay. Number 1, when we look at this formula, we must understand this one actually means T is equals to 2 multiply pi multiply this square root of L over G. Okay? You must know that actually there is a multiplication over here. So if I want to work with L, I want to keep L on one side, I can first divide both sides by 2 pi to make it look neater. Okay? So when we look at this one, we must understand there are actually multiplications here. Then, what I want as subject is L. So I want to, as much as possible, keep the L term or the square root containing the L term by itself. Make L the subject means finally my answer is L equals to something So I want to keep L terms by itself. So how do I move from like that to like that? That is your challenge. Very good, Louis. Taking care of Dylan. Oh yeah. Hey. Doing. Okay, my first step will actually be, for me, I will divide both sides by 2 pi first, because I want to make L as isolated as possible. Hey, Dylan disappeared Nobody already. Maybe you cannot see the screen. Maybe you cannot see the screen. Why? I don't believe math making you all so happy.
Make him so happy.
Maybe like instant wake up.
Instant wake up.
Just try.
What is
Warning,
this?
warning.
Don't want. Ammonia salt. Ammonia salt this one.
Yes.
Ah.
Fuck. It's like instant wake up.
Oh, I don't need. Thank you.
Sorry, I need.
Yes.
So I can use our.
Good lah. Then you are even at the wrong page. Question 7.
You can take so many other ones next time. Yeah, delete. Next time you still have chance.
Don't delete, they send me.
Hello, no.
Then I post on our Google Classroom. Maybe I go and post on other people Google Classroom. Yeah, post on YouTube.
Hey,
Then
you want to see?
later go to the
Go recently.
recent deleted, there still can recover.
Delete.
Okay, done. For part A, not so difficult. Hello.
Wait, I want to see the video.
Hello, Jasmine. All talking.
I want to see the video first.
Okay. Next step, I will want to remove the square root sign. That is the next thing that I need so that I can have access to L. Hello. I want to get to L, so I want to remove the square root first. So to remove the square root, I square both sides.
How much?
Okay? Then, this part, you all need to know, when I am squaring my fraction, it will be multiplied by itself. Hello, hey, pay attention. My t over 2 pi will multiply t over 2 pi. So can you see that when I square, the square will give to the numerator, the square will also give to the denominator. Then my square must go to the t, my square must go to the 2, my square must go to the 4, the pi also. Okay? Because the entire bracket is multiplied by itself when I square my left hand side. So I will have t square over 4 pi square. Then I multiply my g. G, I don't want it to be in the denominator. I want my L to be alone. So my g multiply across, it will be at the numerator. Okay, then it's quite standard for the question to then ask you to do a substitution. This is very standard one. They give you a formula, they ask you to change the subject, then they ask you to do a substitution. So substitution, everything that you are changing, replace with a bracket. Replace with a bracket. Then t is being squared. Means my whole bracket is being squared. I must go and square this bracket that I replaced t with. 4 pi square. Pi, you can key your calculator, the pi. So this whole thing key into your calculator, you will get your answer. 14.248. Okay, no. When you key into calculator, it's a good habit always write to 5 significant figure first. 5 or more. You write a few more, then after that, then you say it is 14.2, 3 significant figure. Okay? Always make it a good practice. You write to 5 SF first. Then last part, then you go and say that it is 3 SF. Round off. Okay? No! Walao. Angry. Oh, okay, still here. Hey, no. $14.2 something, right? Just now, Louis, you say? 248. Then finally change it to 3 SF. Hey, Leila go competition, huh? Oh. Okay, question 8. You all try as homework. Let us continue. Hey, we finished chapter 1 already. Huh? Toilet. Yes. Hey, we finished chapter 1 already. Hey, then never mind. You all do question 8 now. Question 8 now. Try. By right, you all should be able to do it already. All of you should be very good now. Okay, good. Then you read chapter 2. Go. Hey, Suhaimi. Try question 8. Hey, the ammonia salt not enough. The smelling salt not enough. Go and rub some into his nose. Yeah. Even when he awake also keep smelling it. Try, Jody. Question 8. Yeah. Sender, question 8. Try. You must go and do. Practice. Sender. Quick, pick up your pen, go and think, go and write. No use thinking you know. Yes. No use thinking you know. Go and read. Then go and try. Question 8, go and pick up your pen. When you are doing, you won't fall asleep one. That's why math is the easiest subject to do revision also. You just practice paper, you sure can stay awake and do one. Okay, this one you all need to unread the question and know what is C, what is K, what is N. C is the money. C is the cost. Okay? K is a constant. So K is a number. But we don't know what is this number yet. N is the number of books printed. Okay? So when they tell you 30 books are printed, they are telling you N equals to 30.
Yeah, bro.
They are telling you C is 1550. Cost ma. Okay? So you see cost. Cost. One book C. So cost C is 1550. Okay? Then, so they are telling you that N is 30, C is 1550, find K. Okay? So from the formula that we have, we will be doing substitution. So what they want us to do is actually substitution. C, instead of C, I put C as 1550. K is what I'm finding, so I don't know yet. N is 30. Okay? Simplify. 1550 equals to K plus 3. So K is 1550 minus 3. Minus. So 1250 is K. Answer. Okay, we continue next lesson. Then we will be moving on to chapter 2 already. So, go back, try this question, then go and read up on chapter 2. Can?